Hi, welcome to my cutie hub. I'm your lovely and welcome to my channel. I'm going to discuss here about schedules of our Indian constitution. Let's get started. Schedules. We have 12 schedules in our constitution. Among that, I'll tell you in step by step in detail. Let's start. Schedule. Schedule 1. Schedules and union territories, name and their boundary details. Schedule 2. Special powers and salary details of president, governors of state, speakers and deputy speakers of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Supreme Court and High Court judges. Schedule 3. It deals with oath and promises of all authority except President and Vice President. Schedule 4. Rajya Sabha MP count of state and union territories. Schedule 5. Scheduled areas and scheduled tribes administration and control law details. Schedule 6. States of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram tribal areas administration and control law details. And Schedule 7. Detailed list about union and state government power and concurrent list. Schedule 8 deals with official languages. Schedule 9 deals with validation of certain acts and regulations. Schedule 10 deals with details about party changes and disqualification of MP or MLA. Schedule 11 deals with responsibilities of and powers of panchayat. Schedule 12 deals with responsibilities and powers of municipalities. This is all about our Indian constitution of 12 schedules. I hope you like it and it will be helpful for you and everything to know. I'm going to discuss here about a few articles which I have left, and let's get started with Article 61. Procedure for impeachment of the president. Procedure for impeachment of the president. Article 61. Article 63. We don't have Article 62, so 63. The Vice President of India. Article 64. The Vice President of India to be ex officio chairman of the Council of States. Article 66. Election of Vice President. Article 72. Pardoning powers of President. Article 74. Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President. Article 76. Attorney General for India. Article 79. Constitution of Parliament. Article 80. Composition of the Rajya Sabha. Article 81. Composition of the Lok Sabha. Article 83. Duration of Houses of Parliament. Article 86. Right of President to address and send messages to houses. Article 87. Special addresses by the President. Article 88. Rights of ministers and authority. Attorney General has respects houses. Article 93. The Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Article 98. Secretariat of Parliament. Article 99. Oath of affirmation by members. Article 99. Article 107. Provisions has to introduction and passing of bills. Article 108. Joint sitting of both houses in certain cases. Article 109 deals with special procedures in respect of money bills. Article 110 definition of money bills. Article 111 assent to bills. Article 112 annual financial statement, that is budget. Article 116 oaths of account, vote of credit and exceptional grants. Article 117 special provisions has to finance bills. This is all about articles today. I hope you like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Stay tuned and I'll deal with next topic. Let's start with Article 123. Power of President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament. Article 124. Establishment and construction of Supreme Court. Article 137. Review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. Article 141. Law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. Our Article 143 power of President to consult Supreme Court. So, Article 148 Controller and Auditor General of India. Article 149 Duties and powers of the Controller and Auditor General. Part 4 The State. Article 155. It deals with about state. We have some articles for powers to know about part 4. Let's start. So, Article 155 deals with appointment of government. Article 161 deals with power of governor to grant pardons, etc., and to suspend, remit, or commute sentences in certain cases. Article 163 Council of Ministers to aid and advise the governor. Article 167 Duties of Chief Minister with regard to the furnishing of information to governor, etc. Article 169 Abolition of creation of legislative councils and in states. Article 200 Assent to bills by governor, including reservation for president. Article 213 Power of governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of the state legislature. And Article 226 Power of high courts to issue certain writs. Article 239 A special provisions with respect to Delhi, and Article 239 to 242 the Union Territories. Article 243 to the Panchayats. And want to know more? So just stay tuned for latest updates. Till then, keep shining, keep grace. So here I am going to deal with a few articles which is related to 312. So Article 312 deals with all India services. When you are joining or you want to earn, you want to work with them, or you are got inspired from them, that is all about articles. Okay, so like Indian services. So let's start what it is especially. So in our video we deal with only a few articles which is related to all India services. So let's start. So Article 315 Public Service Commissions law for the union and for the states. Article 320 Functions of Public Service Commission. Article 323A capital A Administrative Tribunals. Article 324 Superintendents direction and control of elections to be vested in an election commission. Article 325 No person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on grounds of religion, race, caste, or sex. So, Article 326 Elections to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of States to be on the basis of adult suffrage. And Article 338 National Commission for the SC and ST. And Article 340 Appointment of a commission to investigate the conditions of backward classes. And Article 343 deals with official languages of the union. And Article 345 official languages or languages of state. Article 348 languages to be used in the Supreme Court and in the High Courts. Article 361 directive for development of the Hindi language. And Article 352 Proclamation of Emergency, National Emergency. Article 356 State Emergency, President's Rule. The Article 360 Financial Emergency. Article 361 Protection of President and Governors. Article 368 Powers of Parliament to amend the Constitution. Article 370 Special Provisions of Jammu and Kashmir. Article 371A Special Provision with respect to the state of Nagaland. Article 371J Special Status for Hyderabad to Karnataka region. And last and final, Article 393 The Constitution may be called the Constitution of India. I hope you like these articles and you learn much more about what's important in Indian Constitution. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for the latest update. Till then, keep shining, keep grace. Happy articles and schedules and Indian Constitution. Learn with me. You are Lali. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you soon. See you in next video. Till then, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.